It is Saturday, March 22nd, 2025. I'm here at Casa Fernandez Ranch in Agua Dulce, California for C-10s at the ranch, which as the name implies is for Chevrolet and GMC pickup trucks and SUVs, so like your Blazers and your Suburbans and lots of stuff like that. They got a lot of trucks, some are still actually rolling in. This one is an afternoon show. It starts at 1 o'clock, which I didn't know until I got here at 8 o'clock this morning. But that's okay, because we're filming this one, so let's go bring it to you right now. We still got roll-ins coming in. So actually in the middle, I hit a estate sale not that far from here, where apparently the guy was about the same size as me, so I got a lot of great flannels and different shirts and things. Not Pendletons, don't get too excited, but I even picked up some great records. Also, I will mention you have to RSVP even to come in, I guess, which I didn't know, and I showed my card to explain them some things, and I was able to get in, so we can bring this one to you. I said, hey, look, I already promised it to my viewers and help promote your show, which is what we do here. Our square body short bed. All right, so next week we are off to, the plan right now is to go to Good Guys Pleasanton, unless it's raining next weekend up there, which right now it says it may. So again, I said I'll keep an eye on the weather report. I did book a room for Pleasanton already. If that changes, we will actually be hitting the even bigger C-10 show that's in Las Vegas next weekend if the rain is not in the forecast for there, but is for Pleasanton. So hopefully I'll know by like Wednesday or Thursday or so. There we got a K5 in orange. There we go, I got 72. That's a custom paint. I got a K5. We're far enough from the music now and get away a little bit more. Actually, I just Googled the Pleasanton weather. Now it says Friday, Saturday we're good, so hopefully that remains the case for next week. Also, I have begun adding more dates to the tentative list, which you can find in the video or the comment section on the video shortly after the video posts, pinned at the top. Let you know what I'm planning on hitting in the near future. Actually, I've got it going all the way to the end of 2025 right now. I believe I've added like Road King show recently. A Moon Eyes open house recently got announced for July. And there's something else I just added on there that is not coming up in my brain right now. So people are always asking what shows I'm planning on filming. So we still got the roll-ins coming. And also I may have an update on the Senate Bill 712 smog bill coming up this week. The bill might be getting updated from what I understand, and if it's what I've heard it's going to be, I'm actually going to have to delete my last video where I talk about the insurance thing. So that's all I can really say about that. And my source is pretty good, so we'll see about that. But until something's actually ironclad, I can't report on it. So this show actually goes till 7 o'clock tonight. I'm not staying till 7, I've got family obligations, so at least I can bring you the show. If there's any other channel announcements currently. Otherwise, we bring you all the updates on the Senate bill as they come in. Concrete information comes in. A swapped Suburban. And I got a dually. Actually, I did take my Suburban out. I've actually owned my Suburban a year now, I figured out. And I had to use it to haul something the other day that I did not want in an open truck bed, and it worked perfectly for it. Which made me feel good because I did some work on it recently, and wasn't sure if it was completely, the problems I was having were completely fixed, and it seems like they are. A lot of these I can't really get in between too much because they're parked so close to each other, but we'll bring you what we can. Trucks are even more difficult since the mirrors hang out on a lot of them. So coming up, so next weekend we got Good Guys. Sunday I'm going to show you the hot rods and helos, or I may book a second night for the second day of Good Guys up in Pleasanton. I haven't decided yet. The lowrider show for next weekend in Orange County, I keep seeing conflicting reports whether it's Saturday or Sunday, and this is like official flyers even, so I've just kind of like, okay, I can't even figure out what day it is. And it doesn't say it's both days, it says it's either one. So now I'm seeing it says it's going to be on Saturday, so which I'll be in Pleasanton for that. And in a couple weeks, we've got Good Guys Del Mar, first weekend in April, which I may do 2 days at that. There we go, Tahoe. I forgot about the Tahoe. Here we go. So it's got the barn door, GMC OBS. Got a 12-valve Cummins. I know it will. I have my 96 Cummins Ram still. And I'm waiting on an ABS module currently for it. Ready to do some work. Got I got a panel. Nice truck. This one's got the old style. I always like it when they have the old style topper. Check that out. Some shots of this. Here coming up in April, we not only have a Long Beach swap meet, which is every month, we also have a Pomona swap meet. So we got 2 swap meet month coming up. So probably by Wednesday or Thursday, if I'm going to switch what show I'm filming next weekend, I'll put it on the channel on a community post. Actually, I put this on a community post and people didn't know where it was, so it's... Actually, I had to Google, it wasn't even on their website, so it was kind of odd. Patina on that one. So I do not have a video for tomorrow as of yet. I have not found anything. If that changes tonight, I will try to get another video up for tomorrow. So I'm going to keep looking. I have not seen anything for this weekend other than this. Like I say, there's like certain weekends where there's really not a whole lot going on, and then there's other weekends where I'm picking and choosing and trying to figure out what to do. In some cases I have to film 2 in one day if it's possible. That shifter. Also, if you like the Good Guys meets, I did film Scottsdale last week. Coming in. I think it's like the floodgates right now. Yeah, square body GMC Suburban. Got a Suburban that's also a dually. I don't see these very, very often. This one's even got the barn doors. 38 Chevy custom pickup.
He's like talking to his cop or something.
Nice OBS.
That's all movies I around. Oh man, I just got sniped. No, you didn't, bitch. You fell off a cliff. I'm gonna tell you.
He's got a vintage topper. All the patina. All right, this show keeps getting bigger. More and more vehicles are rolling in. You still got to climb that hill somehow. We'll get there. GMC Suburban. Alright, as always, if you prefer Fords, I did film the F100 Western Nationals last year in Anaheim. So I still don't know if I'm filming it this year. It's on the same day as the Carpinteria show. I got a buddy of mine who's trying to get me to go to the Carpinteria show. So.
Yep.
Where was it from?
I don't know how much you're right, but
Orange C-10 short bed. GMC Jimmy.
trash bag in one of the bags.
The four-wheel drives up on the hill. rather large wheels. What size are these? 37-inch. There you go. In case you're wondering. Actually, I had to buy new tires for the Grand Marquis. Arizona took its toll on it again. I got a nail on the trip in a spot that it cannot be fixed. So that was with driving to Arizona. Something always happens. I always make it home, but something always happens. Came up here because there's like a whole other bottom level of the show I didn't catch earlier, so. I got 12 valve. I'm hoping this is the week I'm finally able to have a day to myself, or I can get some tires on the satellite. This guy's got the BMX going on. You don't know, like some of those vintage BMX bikes can go for quite a bit of money these days. I wish I still had mine from back in the 80s. Had a really nice Diamondback. And my first stepfather, he kind of made me sell it at one point in the recycler. It's back in the recycler days. So, but yeah, now they go for, some of those go for a lot of money. All right, so this layout's a little strange, so if I miss any of your trucks, I'm very sorry. Also, I am working with lots of music everywhere, so.
Hold on, we're coming.
As I always say, like the closer I am to loud music, the harder it is to avoid copyright. The crew cab with the billets. A half-ton GMC. On the ground. I talked to this guy, Bob's Big Boy, on Friday before. He actually tried to buy my Suburban when I first got it. I think it was the same guy. And I was like, oh, I'm not quite ready. So I'm still trying to hold on to my Impala. It was between the Impala and the Suburban, which one I had to sell. And I'm leaning towards the Impala, but I don't have to sell it yet. So I'm kind of trying to hold on to it for now. It's more of a space thing than anything. And I'm still waiting on the paperwork for my Crown Vic I picked up. And I've got a buyer for my Grand Marquis once I get the paperwork on the Vic. Hopefully it comes today. One's for sale. It's got the rhino lining all over it. I can bring it around the back.
If they call you for a big one.
I got a K5 up on the hill. And we're getting close to the end of the ones on the hill. Army gas can. I believe they like film things out here as well. There's like several branches where they do film things, and there's a winery around the corner. It's not part of this property, I don't think, though. Lots of stuff going on out here. Of course, out on Sierra Highway, you drive up and down, you'll see a lot of the filming locations for the movie Duel. Just filmed, a lot of us filmed on Sierra Highway and up some of the side roads up here. You can look all that stuff up online. If you're a big fan of that movie and you haven't done the trip already. Sorry, no Valiants here. And no Kenworth.
Yeah.
Got a lot of custom work going on.
Yeah, he's at Langley. Or,
I used it like 2 weeks ago and it was super cold. And I'm like, I would go to click it on. I'm like, hey man, there's no. We're on the freeway. I'm like, it's so nice. We'll just leave the windows down.
Hate to say it, I think I'm about ready to have to break out the shorts. It's getting to be that time of year. It is warming up. We're actually supposed to have early next week. We're supposed to have low and or highs in the 80s already here in Southern California. So it is definitely warming up.
Hey, I'm all ready to go.
ready, done.
This way, I've got the old four-wheel drive conversion done. Probably when it was new. I got a Napco Power Pack four-wheel drive. So they're probably sent off to the Napco company when they were new and converted to a four-wheel.
I'll tell you, I completely forgot where it was. Did they have some variety of? No, so what they do is...
There are various companies that did that. LS swap. Oh, and it's big block powered. C-10. I may just have to take some chances on the music and do it walkthrough style. Then I can always chop it up and edit it, since it's the only video this weekend. I do have to meet up with somebody this afternoon, so or something. So that's how I'm gonna film this one. So I literally had all the plans to film it this morning and didn't realize it was an afternoon show. So I'm very sorry. There's another one with a 12 valve Cummins diesel. What, they're very popular for the square body conversions. assuming most of the ones that people do them to are like originally diesel vehicles for smog purposes, I'm sure. One for sale 93, 16,900. On the OBS. We got dually.
Short legs to drive these things. I mean, this one.
Not this one. All day long.
Right in here, right? So like I said, if you're looking for an even bigger C10 show next weekend, there's one in Las Vegas. It's the C10 Nationals.
Oh, that first gen looked like that.
A Suburban over here. We've got all the patina. There you go, 64 in patina, in a patina. There you go, you got Buzz Lightyear hanging on. Oh, a lot of patina on it.
You know what these are for now?
I said, let's get a little crowd here. We're gonna do walkthrough style as much as I can.
¿Por qué le hicieron así? No sé.
They might have a band setting up. That's how they got some sort of like big apparatus up there. I don't know what it is. I'll have to see if it's suitable for YouTube. From here it looks a little funky. Looks like a giant banana. I think it might be a DJ. Yeah, it's actually a DJ. Great. Oh, it's got all the patina.
You right there in that quarter panel right at the back of the door?
So that's the problem. Not all the people
The hood ornament. I had somebody give me a hoodie, so I'm carrying that around now as well.
There's a lot of stuff here.
It's the only one that, well, so far that I've seen in the bed, like, it's kind of like mine, the bed, you know?
It's got the cooler on this one. Well, they might be doing a raffle or something. Got some more show to bring you. Lots of trucks. How about an international? It's not GM, but we'll bring it to you anyway.
Ready for your portrait?
I love the international harvester.
No, that way you can.
I think up top is just for alcoholic beverages. I'll double check. They're doing like bull riding and DJ or something up there. I think that's what that is. I'm gonna disturb them.
Who's next? Too much.
I think they actually have a thing where you can actually camp out tonight. That's why you see some of these vintage trailers around as well.
Puro C-10s sales, come and visit his booth right here. Oh, los dos, va a haber una tregua, señores.
As you can see.
Dos, tres.
All right, we are right back where we started at the beginning of the video with our pal on the tractor here. That is going to wrap things up for C-10s at the ranch for 2025. This is probably your only video for this weekend. There's an update this week, which I'm kind of expecting on SP712. That's been told to me that something will update. I'll bring you that video next week. Right now the plans are still good, guys, in Pleasanton. If it's going to rain up there, I'll switch it to Vegas if it's not going to rain there. Lots of other great events coming up for the channel. Check the tentative list. It'll be in the comment section shortly after the video post. Leave some comments, leave a like, and all that good stuff. And until next time, I'll be seeing you.